Hello everybody, it's Sonia. Hope you are having a wonderful day today. It's very bright and sunny here today over in the great state of Texas, at least where I am. But nevertheless, we're doing some repairs on a door trim, back door trim area that needed to be replaced. And so we decided to film my working on this project with the mister. And these are the two different saws, but I decided to go with this one because it was easier for me to handle. This other one, you have to, it's very flimsy in a way. I think like it's very flexible, and so yeah, I decided to go with this one. So the biggest thing is to make sure to make your first cut on a scrap piece, and that's how I learned. I learned that if I use a scrap piece, I can use it as a template, and then I can quickly make my cuts at the bottom once I had my angle set the right way and it looked good. Once I nailed it up, my husband didn't get that footage, but I did use my nail gun to nail it against the wall, and then he took over from there with the prepping because I had to run an errand for him elsewhere. Real quickly, whenever you're painting, for those of us just starting out in painting, you never want to fill the brush like all the way, like dipping the whole brush into the paint bucket. That will just waste paint and waste finishes. So you don't want to do that. You just want to barely, put a little on your brush and then tap it on either side so that it doesn't drip anywhere. And then you want to apply the finish to whatever you're working on. Ideally, 2 coats is what works for us, and this is what I did here. It's just practice and practice. Painting is definitely therapeutic, and it does take practice for you to keep the paint where it's supposed to go, because if you don't then you'll be repainting all of that beautiful paint work that you did already on the other surfaces, right? So thank you so much for watching. It does warm my heart that some of you have already started to subscribe to the channel and are enjoying the footage that I do put up on the channel. I appreciate you. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you are informed when I upload something new to the channel. My name is Sonia. I am a carpenter and I enjoy painting. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye!